Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix control panel not opening in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is you need to press Windows and R key together and a small window called Run will appear. Here you need to type for control, click on OK, and in this way you would be able to open your control panel. Here it is. Okay. So that's the very first step. The second step that you can do is you need to proceed with your File Explorer. Click on it. The moment you have the click on it, you just have to go with the left side of it and select your local disk. Here in the local disk, proceed with Windows, double tap to it, and scroll down and look for System 32. Okay. Double tap to it again and proceed to the upper right side of this screen and type for appwiz.cpl. The moment you have typed that, wait until a best match or a result would appear, which is this. Just have to do a right click and click on open. Wait until a new window would appear in our screen again, okay? Okay, so in this manner, you would be able to open your control panel. Just have to click on control panel home, and there you have that. Okay, so that's the second step. The third step and last step that you can do is let's just close all of these windows. Here, the desktop screen, please do a right click, go with new, and go with folder. Okay, so in this new folder, you need to rename that into this. So I'll be including this in the description box below. So simply copy it and rename it into the folder. Click enter. The moment you have the click on it, you'd be able to create a control panel folder where you can double tap to it and where you can use that as your control panel. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.